Hi everyone, in this video, let us see about Google App Engine. Here, we will cover the following. What is Google App Engine? Its benefits, key features and use cases. Finally, we can see how to deploy a small app using Google App Engine. Let's see what is Google App Engine is. Google App Engine helps in the development of highly scalable applications on a fully managed serverless platform. It supports several popular languages, libraries, and frameworks to develop your apps, then let App Engine take care of provisioning servers and scaling your app instances based on demand. It allows the developers to scale your applications without managing the infrastructure. It helps the developers to be free from concerning about the server management and configurations for deployments. It supports the Agile methodology. Now let's the benefits of using App Engine. It is open in familiar languages and tools, which means that the App Engine supports a wide variety of languages and frameworks and enables to manage resources easily through the command line. The next one is it focuses on just add code, which means that the developers need not worry about the infrastructure and the protection from security threats by firewalls. The last one is pay only for what you use policy, which means that the operation on the serverless environment and supports automatic scaling of resources based on the demand. Now let us see the key features on the Google App Engine. The main features include that the App Engine supports all the popular programming languages. It lets the developers build their application in any language of their choice. The next feature is it is open and flexible, which means that the custom runtimes allow you to bring any library into your codes and you can use them in the way you like to code. The next feature is, Google App Engine is fully managed, which means that App Engine manages infrastructure concerns, that is the developers need not worry about the infrastructure they are running the code. Another key feature is, that the Google App Engine has a powerful application diagnostics, that is cloud monitoring, cloud logging, cloud debugger and error reporting are integrated and can be used along with Google App Engine. There are a few more key features with the Google App Engine, which include application versioning, which means that the developers can easily host different versions of your app for test, staging, and production. Traffic splitting, that is the easy route requests to different app versions and test the apps. Application security, which means that establishing security with the help of firewall rules, that is managed by SSL or TLS certificates, at no additional cost. And the service ecosystem, which is access and integrates many other services and tools to the application on your choice. Let us see a use case where the Google App Engine better fits. Google App Engine can be used in the creation of modern web applications, where the developers should quickly reach customers and end users by deploying web apps. Google App Engine helps in the easy deployment of the developer's code with zero config deployments and zero server management. The Google App Engine best fits when the core focus of the project is to be given on writing the code. Google App Engine automatically scales to support sudden traffic spikes without provisioning, patching, or monitoring. This helps users who are not interested in configuring their apps and servers. Also, who require an easy way to monitor their app and service. Now let us see how to quickly deploy a Hello World application in the Google App Engine. First sign into your Google Cloud Console. Then, from the navigation menu in the top left, click the App Engine. It will take you to the Google App Engine dashboard. Now open the Cloud Shell from the top right. It will open the Cloud Shell in the bottom of the screen. Now clone the project or start the project here. Currently, I am using a sample code provided by Google and GitHub. I have cloned the repository using the git clone command. Now let us navigate to the required root directory of the project. Here we are using a Node.js project to host it as a website with the help of Google App Engine. Now to run the project and see, we will type npm install to install the required packages for the project. After installing the required packages, Now let's run the project using npm start. To view the output, let's go to View on port 8000 from the Cloud Shell. This opens a new page with the contents displayed as Hello World. Now let us see how to deploy the code in Google App Engine. For this, we need to type a command in the Cloud Shell, which is gcloud app deploy, which then prompt whether to continue with the deployment. It will take some time to deploy. Let us wait for that. After the successful completion of the deployment, from the Cloud Shell, we can type gcloud app browse, which then will return a URL of the app deployment. Let us open the URL in the browser either by copy-pasting or pressing Ctrl key and click the URL. This will show our app window in a new tab. Thus our app is deployed. We can use the URL to access the app anywhere. Now you can explore further functions of the Google App Engine and its different features your own in the Google Cloud Console. I will be attaching some references and happy learning.